Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Short video today. Want to give you a quick heads up about a great show coming up. It's always a good one, always a big one. And I want to issue a challenge for the month of May, so stick around. Okay, on May 14th of this year, the South Carolina Modelers Association is putting on their Upstate show in Simpsonville, South Carolina. I'll let you get the address right there. This is always a good show. This is always a pretty big show. And I think they've got just a couple of vendor tables left. There's always a ton of vendors at this show. Here's the contact information for Chuck Cox if you're interested in being a vendor. And there's Ronnie Nodine as well. You can contact either one of those guys about the vendor tables if you're interested. But the show itself is always great. Like I said, vendors are abundant and there's always a lot of great people there. The contest categories is you've got the box stock shootout, which is automotive and non-automotive, and it is just straight out of the box. And then you've got your automotive categories, as you see here. And I'll try to go a little slow on this so you can see them all. And your non-automotive categories. And there's usually a pretty good crowd of stuff there for that, too. Then you have the 62 and over award. So anybody that's 62 years old or older, you've got a category there that's any model, any scale, built any way you want to. And then you've got your two main themes, which are the Stock Car Challenge for 2022. And you've got your modern NASCAR, 81 to present. Then you've got your vintage before 81, and then your weekend warriors and things like that. Just some really good stuff. And there's always a pretty good crowd in that one. And then the Big Drag Classic. So this one is, I love this too. I love both of these themes, but you've got top 5 in both categories and the best stock car in the stock car category. And you've got top eliminator in the, I thought I had that centered there, sorry, in the Big Drag Classic. So a lot of great categories, really, really good show. If you're in the area, Western North Carolina, well, anywhere in North Carolina, because I think last year they had people from 5 states come to this thing. Really a good show. Now, let's get over and talk about the challenge for the month of May. Hey guys, first of all, let me apologize that it's been, I think, 10 days since I posted a video. And since I started the channel, I don't think I've gone 10 days and not posted a video. But post-COVID, our business, as you know, my wife and I own a business, a company called Squad Room LLC, and we do trade shows and events and for first responders, police, fire, EMS, as well as military collectibles for VFW events and American Legion events. And we have a lot of fun doing that. And as I was saying, post-COVID, things are starting to get back to normal, and we are starting to get really, really busy. Now, the month of May is National Police Week, is the 11th through the 17th of May, and National Police Memorial Day is the 15th. So we are gearing up. We are really busy. We're booked into June already, and have some requests all the way to November. So we're getting really, really back to normal there and getting busy. So I'm still hoping I can get at least 2 videos up a week, but I can't promise that right now. But on to the challenge. National Police Week being this month, on the 30th or 31st of this month, on the last day of the month, what I want you to do is show your police car builds. Either if you're building one right now, if you want to knock one out, or if you already have one you want to display. This one is the agency I served, the Greenville Police Department in Greenville, South Carolina, and I've got some other ones of some other agencies as well. But this was the first badge I ever put on, was with the Greenville Police Department, and I'm very proud of that. And a great career. And as you can see in some of these pictures, it's hard to believe I was ever that young, but we also want to honor these guys. And what I want to do is I'll put up my email address in here again toward the end of the month as a reminder, and you can just shoot me pictures and I'll put together a video showing off those things, and we'll honor those who serve and protect us. So have fun with it. And by the way, it can be die cast, it can be like this resin. It can be any scale. If you want to do a 64th, a Hot Wheels, all the way through something big scale, doesn't matter. Motorcycles, it can be. I'll tell you what. Let's throw in all police vehicles, futuristic. So if it was something sci-fi or foreign, England, France, Italy, you know, because some of those guys are running Ferraris and any Italian vehicles like that, Lamborghinis, all that kind of stuff. Let's have some fun with it. But again, it's all to honor those who serve us. Thanks for participating in advance in this. I know many of us are already working on a lot of challenges, so that's why I say it's open to any scale, anything from die-cast, resin, whatever. And we'll share those with each other into the month. Guys, God bless. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll have you another update on the bench here shortly. See ya.